So how much will you rate the overall difficulty level of GS paper 1? Was it easy, moderate or difficult?
I would rate moderate. Moderate.
So talking about Indian polity, how was the distribution of questions? Were they more static or current affairs based?
I feel regarding polity, questions were from static as well as dynamic. But importantly, like questions were asked on enforcement directorate, like question was asked on office of governor, like question was asked on office of speaker, like question was asked whether the governor is immune. So almost I can say majority of questions which were static in nature were only asked because they were in news. So if someone who has been following current affairs and reading articles, so one more thing, that two questions at least where they have asked explicitly asked the articles of the constitution. So it was based on current affairs. Even the static question was based on current affairs. Okay. So the finding out of the question paper is that those things that are in news, read more about them, even the static as well as current. So I would say that one, there were some tougher questions which I'll come tougher questions I would like to mention, like there was a question on poultry farming, okay, taxation. There was a question on Directorate General data systems question. These were some factual questions. Otherwise questions were relatively easy based on current affairs as well as static aspect of it.
Okay. So when should one start answer writing after prelims, like immediately or within a week or so?
I strongly feel that after prelims, one should rejuvenate, revitalize for a few days. So 3-4 days, one should relax, 2-3-4 days, and be happy. And those, especially being honest, those who are absolutely, who are very likely to qualify, although everyone should prepare, but they should not waste a single day. Because those who are comfortably sailing through, or even if there is a confusion, they will sail through, most likely, it happens. So I think that 3-4 days of rejuvenation, then should start answer writing, because this was just the elimination round. Now the real game begins. So one has to write answer, and definitely that is going to be that will be catapult their marks in mains. So one should start writing after 3-4-5 days. Actually, if someone has been working very hard, not in the mental frame, good, so one can relax for 5 days and then start.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.